Hi guys, my name is Jason from Med School. So for this video, I'm going to explain a little bit the trade that I took morning. There's been this morning itself on Euro USD. Yep, I'm gonna tell you the reason why I enter and also the type of setup that I'm looking for. So what I did was, okay, I waited for, see, this is all my zones for my SR zone. If you want to know how I get all these zones, just view one of my video that I use stochastic oscillator and how I draft the support resistance out. At the same time, just ignore this. This is one of my entries. So so I did a sell here at this price, 108410. So yep, currently the price is at, yeah, I'm still losing a few pips. So floating 5-6 pips, meaning I'm enter around here. The reason why I enter here is because one of the support, sorry, resistance that when the price in the morning came over, I was looking for a short of this particular market. The reason why I want to short this market is because even though it's against my trend, you see, it's an uptrend, it's creating a higher high. Why I choose to short the market is because of this. Look at the area that not breached yet. Unless yesterday it break this area, then only I would officially or I would actually find a buy. But because the market, it rejected it went up, oh, then it come down again, and close back where? Below the opening price, if you notice. This type of structure, if you know what is day formation of this, it actually created a pin bar, a very massive pin bar on day, and rejected an area of my September 2019 SR right below it. And also this too is my last week, my last week area and also this week area overlap. So it's kind of like want to go through, don't go through. So what happened is I waited for this jump. I didn't sell here yesterday. I choose not to sell here because it's against the buyer, meaning that if I were to go in and sell with the buyer presence, and most probably most of the time I commit suicide. That's why I choose not to. But yesterday, lucky if anyone who sold there, they make quite good pips, and I choose not to. So I waited for retracement to short sell it. So my retracement of 40 would be around here, and yep, I did an entry here. So what happened is I want the price to retrace wherever it is and shut it down. If it happens, it's still moving, so I'm not too sure what's the answer going to be. I've placed my SL right above here, and my TP, it's around, wait, let me check my TP, can't remember. TP will be 7400. So where's 7400? 7400. Hey, here you go. I placed my TP here, around this area. So in order to get here, I have to, once the price float around here, most probably I'm going to break even. I want to see whether every support is broken or not. And now it's going to be 8:30 soon. 8:30 would have all the news coming out. So I want to see how it push. If it push the other way around, then bye bye my SL. If it comes down, then good for me. I'm gonna take if it start to break every support, I'll still hold until one of the support creates some rejection. Then I'll just cut off my position and keep the profits. If it against me and immediately at 8:30 the price decided to shoot back up, and too bad for me, it will wipe out my SL. So one SL down. So this is what I did. I waited for the buyer presence, retrace back up, sell it below a certain resistance. I tried to sell here, but it kind of broke through. So I didn't do any sell. I just hold my position because my SL is here. So it decided to come back down here. But of course, if I were to waited slightly longer, I would have a much better edge on the position. Didn't expect the price to shoot up back so high. Since opening, since opening market, it went up about 50 over pips. So really didn't expect that. I expected about 20 over pips it will start coming down. So too bad for me. Hold longer holding position, lesser pips. And yep, this is my analysis. Let's see how this work out by tonight or tomorrow. Who might knows when the answer gonna come by, but I'm gonna keep you guys update on what happened on this chart, whether I made it or not. Thank you.